My name is Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm going to teach you how to ollie. The ollie is one of the most fundamental, most important, most excellent skateboard tricks ever. If you have a really good ollie, you could make an entire professional skateboard career out of a good ollie. Ollie is also one of the most basic fundamental skateboard movements. So every trick you're going to learn later, whether it's a frontside 180, a backside 180, or a kickflip, or even the hill flip, your really basic essential movements are all coming from the ollie. So if you're like, I would love to learn how to skateboard, you saw the Olympics and you're like, now it's time to learn. I can be an Olympic athlete, Olympic gold medalist, people. Get your ollies down. In this video, I'm gonna cover all of the basic movements and how to do the ollie in excruciatingly painful detail. If by the end of this video, you do not know how to ollie, you're going to at least have heard a lot of words about the ollie, and so much so that it will be just burned into your mind. All right, so the ollie is several basic movements. First movement, boom. Second movement, drag. Third movement, lift. Fourth movement, drop. But I thought there was just 3 movements. Well, really, the drop isn't really a movement. It's kind of the lack of movement. First movement. So you put your back foot on the tail just like that, the ball of your foot, ready to do this motion, boom. The very key thing to understand here is that your ankle has a lot of power and a lot of speed. And what you're actually using to pop the board is your ankle. So you're dropping down, your ankle slaps that tail on the ground, and then you jump. You jump off of your back foot, jump straight into the air as your front foot simultaneously drags up the board. So you can imagine your shoe is flat and then it turns and then it drags up the board. It's just as if you were to go like this, boom, and then grab your board and lift it up. That's what your front foot is doing, but it's doing it with a drag. So on this part of your shoe, right there, it's gonna wear a hole eventually. You're gonna drag that part up and it's gonna grab the board up. So that's step 2. Drag your front foot up and that's gonna pull the board. And then as your board's coming up, bring your back foot up. Otherwise, your back foot held down is gonna make your ollie look like this. And that is no bueno. So you wanna pop, drag up, lift your back foot and your front foot, and that's the jump. And then you're gonna do lack of movements. Keep your knees bent, and then land with your knees bent on the ground and roll away. Basta. Some things that can go wrong on this are you could turn your shoulders, and that could make your board turn. You could somehow make your board flip and land primo. That could be really bad. The one most commonest mistake is there's no drag of the front foot up. You literally pop the tail, and your front foot stays like that. It doesn't turn and then drag, it just goes like this. But if there's no drag, remember the drag is like as if you grabbed the board and lifted it into the air. So the whole point of the ollie is that you go into the air. So if there's no drag, then you didn't go into the air. If you have your front foot starting here, not much room to drag. If you want to put it back, there's more room. You want to put it back even further, there's even more room, which means you can go even higher. Higher, faster, better, stronger. But you guys have now learned how to ollie. Ollie up curbs, ollie down curbs, ollie over cracks. Pick an obstacle, put it down, ollie over some boards, have an absolute blast, and get better and better and better and better and better through regular routine practice and lots of it. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorial videos. I'm working to do one every single Tuesday. If you did not know, we do upload every single day here at Braille Skateboarding. Every single day at 10 a.m. is a new video just for you. The reason we make all these videos is to build a worldwide community of skateboarders. Some videos we make are crazy, wacky, have nothing to do with skateboarding. But the point of those videos is to bring more people into the world of skateboarding. Yes, my friend, if you're brand new to the channel, we bring people into skateboarding, we teach them how to skateboard, and we grow the community of skateboarding through positivity, through inspiration, motivation, tutorial videos just like this one. I hope that you are learning and making every day a better day for yourself on your skateboard. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Check out all of those videos right there, but please do leave a comment because I'll read through those and I'll take those comments to decide which tutorial to make next. So let me know. I'll see you in the next video.